Alrighty folks, just had a pretty successful junkyard run. Picked up a new gauge cluster finisher. The current one doesn't have a clock, but this one does. And my other one, the plastic for these mounting tabs were broken, so I went ahead and grabbed another one. Window switch, got a variable intermittent wiper stock, washer fluid cap, this garnish, complete with a dimmer switch because my other one's busted, and this piece that came with my car is broken. Sun visors and a bash plate. This sucker's heavy. I don't really want to put it back in, but you know, I will. In addition to that, I got some brand new parts. I got valve cover gasket and the throttle, I guess they call it a bimetal stopper, but it's basically the rod. That was the original reason why the guy got rid of the car. And then the valve cover is spitting out oil right over here. So I'll be taking care of those today. Alright, valve cover is off, and I think I found the problem. It's just old and crusty. New spark plugs. Valve cover's all nice and clean now. The head's all cleaned off and ready for the valve cover. Alright, new valve cover's on. Just put the new grommets on. New gasket in, along with somewhat appropriate RTV according to the factory service manual. New plugs in, so I'll get this sucker torqued down and let that RTV cure. Okay, valve cover's back on with new gasket and fresh plugs. So now I'm going to tackle that rod. Got the new throttle control rod thing. Just finished reattaching this fuse box that was kind of dangling out in here, in addition to this airbox bracket. I did notice that the park neutral safety switch has been reattached with wire nuts, so I'm going to have to go back and solder those connections back on. And looks like there's some hefty oil leakage going on, so I'm going to have to jack it up and see what's going on here. But at least so far all the main problems are taken care of. Leaky valve cover and that throttle control rod replaced with a brand new one. And just going to finish it up, placing this random metal cap with the actual windshield wiper reservoir cap. And that's it for now under the hood.